Hello friends, welcome to another video. In this video, we are going to talk about the different reasons because of them a trader is losing money into the market. So first of all, we will talk about the top 5 points because of them a trader is losing money into the market. And then we will talk about the solution, like, how we can remove these problems. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first point is no or insufficient education. So we already know that when we want to become a doctor or engineer, we just take a formal education to become a professional engineer or a doctor. But when it comes to trading, we don't take it that way. Just we just have a little bit of education or a knowledge, and maybe we just watch our YouTube videos, and just after that we just want to come into the market and start trading. So this is going to be an issue. The second point is over trading and over risking. So what happens when a trader comes into the market, like he's new, he doesn't know much. So what happens? Suppose he lose one or two trades in a day. So after that he just wants to make that money back. And in order to make that happen, what he does, he just take more and more trades, and every time he taking a trade, he's increasing his risk. So basically, this is another problem that I see. Now the third one is switching strategies and pairs too often. So what happens, when a new traders comes into the market? So he just get a strategy and pair from somewhere. Maybe he just watch a YouTube videos, or maybe he get it from a friend that, okay, this strategy is working good. So he take the strategies and the pair, he start trading, and after a few trades, and maybe after trading it for a few days, he feels that, okay, he's not making money, he's losing more than he makes. So what he does, he again maybe go to YouTube, or get another strategy and pair from someone else, and he start trading that. So this is a routine process happen with a new trader, and this is a problem. So the next one is no backtesting and sample sizing data. So when we, as a new traders comes into the market, and when we start trading, so basically we have no backtesting and the sample sizing data for the strategy and the pair that we are trading. So this is another problem. And the next one is the no trading plan. So when a new traders comes into the market, because there are a lot of things new to him or her. So basically he has no trading plan, what session to trade, what pair to trade, what strategy to trade, and how to do the risk management. So this is the problem. So basically these are the 5 points which I believe that, okay, if a particular trader remove and work on all these 5 points, he can make his trading better and can move towards being a profitable trader. So now let's discuss about the solution of all these 5 problems. The first one is no insufficient education. So what we can do, how we can get the education. So we can take proper training. Basically, we can get we can take courses, we can go to YouTube, and we can get the mentorship. And I will advise to have a mentor, unless at least we get a become profitable. So the second point is over trading and over risking. So how we can remove the over trading and over risking. Now the solution for that is, we have to take one or two trades a day, whether win or a lose. So like, we took two trades in a day, whether we won or whether we lost the trade, we should close our laptop, close our system, and wait for the another day. Also, we should not be taking more than 2% of your account on any single trade. So when we are taking a trade, we should not be taking more than 2% risk of our account on any single trade. And we can also have a daily drawdown limit of maybe, for example, 5%. So once we hit that 5% limit, after that we should not be trading at all. We should not do revenge trading. So like as per our trading plan, if we have one or two trades to take in a day, once we hit that target, we should not be taking any more trades. So whether we lost the money or won. So also when we do over trading and over risking, that leads to higher brokerages, which basically, we lose more money. The third point is switching strategies and pairs too often. So as I mentioned, a new trader just keep on switching strategies and pairs very often. So what we have to basically do, we should stick to one strategy and pair and give it some enough time. Maybe for 1 year, we should, give a strategy and pair, and you should collect the enough sample sizing data, maybe like more than 100 trades. And only then we can say, okay, what is the win rate for this particular strategy, and what is the risk reward for that particular strategy. We should take these 100 trades, like by following the same rule of 1 to 2 trades a day. Now the next point is no backtesting and the sample sizing data. So as I mentioned, you should collect enough sample sizing data on the strategy and pair we are going to trade by either backtesting or forward testing. Backtesting, basically we can go to the historical charts, and we can see how this strategy and this pair has done and performed on this particular strategy. Forward testing is basically, we have to come to the market and we have to see, in the live market, basically we have to see and note down the testing data, basically, to what is the trade and on which time frame, how is the risk reward, whether we won or lose. So all these data we have to collect. Also, we can trade on a demo to get the sample sizing data for a particular strategy and a pair. Now the next one is the no trading plan. So how we can remove this problem? So basically we should have a trading plan, and what a trading plan includes. In the trading plan, basically, we should have the detail, okay, what session we are going to trade. So for a beginner, I will suggest to take one session. Either we can trade London session or the New York session, because these two sessions has a very good volume. So for a new trader, I will suggest take one session and take one strategy, one pair, and one time frame, maybe 30 minutes time frame. So this is what we should have. Also, we should have the risk and the trade management. So like after we enter the trade, and now if the trade is going in the profit, so we should start taking some profit out of the market, right? But at the same time, if the trade is going against us and it is going in losses, so we should start closing partial losses as well. So whether the trade is going in profit or in loss, we should have to manage the trade. We should have to close partial, whether in profit or in loss. So thank you. So thank you, guys. This was the video. I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you really did like the video, share the video and subscribe to the channel in order to support the channel and YouTube algorithm. Thank you very much. See you in another video.